And they have Makita Impact Driver DTD154, and it's basically working, but the switch, the switch is broken. So obviously I will try to disassemble it and change the switch. I hope it will be this switch, because I have a spare one. Okay, it's other kind of switch, so I need to try to find it. And UPA, I have found it. Here's the part number. Okay, this one is used, but I hope it works. So now we can replace it. You can see the white wire, the connector, and the red wire. And just small plug on to check if it works. Yep. Okay, it works. Now we can close it. Okay, it looks really better with the switch. Yep, and it works.